Hello friend, welcome back. Testing links on a website is very important in many aspects. The very first one is SEO of your website, then user experience and lot more. So to test that, basically testing links means we want to find out the dead and broken links on the website, so that like we don't deliver or when we don't push anything, any build with the broken links. So to find out them, it's like sometimes very challenging because you cannot test one by one. Most of the time we used to write the Selenium script or any automation script which find out all the links, then we run the loop, and then we do a lot of scripting on them, checking status one by one and a lot more things. So this has been like quite a challenging thing. So we have solved this problem with the help of checkmylinks plugin. Just in one click you will be able to find out all the broken links and details about rest of the links as well, like how many valid, invalid, redirect links, broken links, and if any kind of warning will be there, that also you will be able to get it just in a single click in a very easy way. So here I will show you how to install check my links and how you can use this in a very simple way. So here on SelectorsHub.com you will find check my links here. Also under products you can see here check my links. So you can click on this check my links install button. Here you have add to Chrome, so you can add it, and for other browser you just click on here and then you will find it for other browsers as well. So let me just first show you for the Chrome browser. Click on this. Already you can see more than 40,000 testers are using it. It's been just very short time. And then you click on add to Chrome, add extension, and once you will click on add extension it will get added in your browser here. And here you will see that it will open this page like check my links has been installed successfully. And then here you see this by default you might not be able to see the check my links logo here on the top. So what you have to do, click on this default extension logo, and then here you will see the check my links. You will have to pin it to toolbar, then it will appear here. On this page you will find the like steps to get started and the tutorial and other tools which we offer, like page load timer. So that also really good extension. If you guys haven't used it, please install it and you will get the load time of every page. Anyways, so here you see that we have installed it. Now how you can use it, open any website, like let's say for an example we open google.com. So what you have to do, you just have to simply click on this logo here and you see that it automatically uh, highlight all the links here, shows you the result like how many valid, redirect link, warning, invalid link. So all the details you get, and it also highlight all the links on the page with different color. What you see here, like for valid link this kind of green color, for valid redirect link this kind of color will be. Like right now there is no invalid link on this page, so it is showing 0. Let me show you one example with the 0 one. So SelectorsHub.com, we have purposefully added some invalid link on this page. So here if we will click on this logo here, so here it's showing one invalid link. So if you scroll down here, you see that this one is highlighted with the red color. So this is a broken link here and it shows 0 broken link, and here it has added, it is showing like basically one invalid link. So this is the one which is invalid link. And if you want to view the result, you can see that here, just click on this link arrow and it will show you the report here. Okay, so this way you can see, or also like you can export the report which will having like all the links and everything, all the details here. And then if you click on this download or view separate, you can like all together all type of links with the complete report. You can click on this export all button. If you want to see all links, all details, then you can see. If you want to individually see respective, then you can click any of these button here. And these are the button to change the color which has been highlighted. These are the features to hide the color, to remove these highlight color and just give the number. Now I will explain and show you guys all these features one by one and what all these icons and everything is there. Now suppose you want to view all the links and complete full report, then you can click on this view all. Here you will see that all the links are there, their status code, and the label also we have added. This is one of the feedback we got, feature request from one of our user in the bootcamp, that can we have the label as well. So we recently added this feature that now you will be able to see the label as well, where you see that this is the link, then what is the label on this page for this particular link. What was the label? Label means like what text you see, because this is here you don't see the link, right? You here you see this find out, right? So where is this thing find out, what is the link? So now in the report you will be able to see that the find out thing, this one here, find out. So just to keep it short, like not very long value, here we have kept the length of the label just 20 characters, so that like it will be easy for you guys, and it will be like neat and clean in the report as well. Otherwise like it will be very long. There could be some paragraphs as well with the link text, so for that reason we kept it short only. So 20 character of these labels we will pick and keep it in the report, which you can find out. So this is how you can see in the report. And here you can see the status code, here you can see the URL label. If you want to copy any URL, this one you can click on this copy button, it will be copied in your clipboard. If you want to view this, you can just click on this view button and it will open into the new tab. If you want to download this, like you can download in Excel, CSV, or if you want to copy, you can copy as well. And then I will explain this as well. And whichever link is invalid, with that you will see this red color view icon, rest all will be view with the green color. And here you will also see this recheck HTTP status code with the invalid link. So suppose what does this mean here, recheck HTTP status code? What happens, like here this could be valid and invalid as well. Right now this is invalid only, but in some cases what happens, like when this extension start hitting the links of a particular website, and all the links is immediately start getting hits from this extension. So some companies have this check on their server side, that if they are getting a lot of hits within seconds, in few seconds, then do not respond and just send the wrong HTTPS status code. So in that situation we don't get the correct status code of those links. So for that reason we have introduced this recheck HTTP status code. What it will do, it will open your link as a human has opened. So in that case your server will not think that this has been automated, and it will give the correct status code. So what it used to do, like if you click on this button here, then it will open the URL and it will in a window, and it will close also automatically, and it will update the status here. So right now it has updated it as invalid only. You can see that view red color icon only, and then status code it got 0. Even if you open this link, then also you will get the like invalid only. I will show you one example where it will show, it will correct the status as well. So here it will update the status as well. So right now it got 0 status code, so it is 0. Okay, so this is the report part of check my links. If you want to individually download or view the report, you can view the report here. You can see that just that invalid, if you want just invalid you can see. And here if you just want to download that any of them individually, that you can do. Like let's say you want to see all the valid link, click on this and here you can see this. Also if you want to change the color, like right now it is highlighting in green color, you want to change the color here. Let's say you want to make it something else, black or whatever you want, little darker, that you can do. These both the green colors are very similar to each other. Sometimes people feel like they are very close to each other, it is difficult to difficult to differentiate between them. In that case you can keep it change, you can change it something. Let's say you want to make it like this kind of color, you can keep it warnings yellow, invalid links in red color, so that you can do. So this way you can change the color as well. Now here we recently added a very good feature in check my links, which is again one of our user feedback. Here you can see that we take a user feedback very seriously and add that like here. So one of our user has suggested, I need to disable checks for certain links. For example, I won't be able to disable check broken links only without highlighting other links. So basically he need a feature where like all these links are being highlighted. Now complete website is showing in green color. so many colors got filled in the website, though it is not required for him. He doesn't want like everything is being highlighted here. He just want like to highlight only broken link in the page, right? You see that everything has been highlighted in green, green, green. They don't need it, right? So in that case, we have added this feature that now you will be able to remove, like disable this highlighting the color, highlighting the links with the color. So you uncheck this and now you see that it is not being highlighted. Those links, valid links, are not being highlighted now. If you want to uncheck this as well, this is also. So now you see that only here only invalid link is being highlighted. So this way it will highlight only that particular link. Now if you close this and go to, let's say, any other website, like for an example we go to Myntra, I will show you here as well. So you will see that it is not highlighting anything. It will just highlight only invalid link. Those will be shown as invalid, that it will highlight. Okay, so you see that it is showing only highlighted only those invalid links which has, for which it has got the invalid link status. So this is very helpful feature that you will, if you want to uncheck, then you can just uncheck here and it will not highlight those links, and it will be like very neat and clean, and easily you can use the product here. Okay. So now you have the feature of highlighting or unhighlighting. Then you have the feature to change the color as well. Here you can see the count, like this is total count, how many links are there on the page. Here it used to show the queue, like when as soon as you click on this, it used to like how many is, for how many links it has got the status and what is there, and cache method, what method it has used. So that all details you used to see here. Like let me just show you on the simple page here again. So this is how like it used to get the status code, and it used to keep updated here, keep updating here. Here you have a more option under settings. Like if you can see that, let's say you want to exclude some of the links, domain specific domains, so that you can include here. Like by default we have kept these one. If you want to add more, you can add more here. Method of request, we are using get, so that we are using here more options, like what kind of links, other things you want to include or exclude. You want to like this one, no follow links. There could be some links which are using the attribute relative is equal to no follow in your DOM. So for that, by default those links are not considered by checkmylinks, but if you want to include them, you can check this and then save my preference, and going forward whenever you will be checking the links on your web page with the checkmylinks, then it will consider those as well. By default it is unchecked. Okay, so this is that one feature. This is the reset all. Like suppose you have changed the color and you have done some setting change here, you have unchecked and you want to like go to the default setting, then you just click on this, it will reset all the settings and it will go to the default mode. Then here this is export all, downloading the report with all the links, status and everything. This is the complete, if you want to see the report without downloading it, this way you can see it. Here also you have an option to download, copy, whatever you want, that you can do. And then refresh button here if you want to check the status again. So this is the refresh button. Okay, now here I was telling you guys that what is that this fetch all HTTP status code, and I was also trying to explain you guys, what if like some companies have that kind of thing, like as soon as your extension start hitting their website and all the links they get, like too many, their server got too many requests. In that case what they used to start doing, they start giving you guys the wrong status code. So in that case, how will you get the correct status code for that particular for those links and all? So you can see that here like 270 links, because there are too many links and we are hitting their server again and again. So their server understand that someone is running a bot. So in this kind of situation where these many links are invalid and you know that this particular link is not invalid, so you will feel like, oh, checkmylinks is giving me the wrong status, but it's not like that. It's not giving, it's showing here because whatever we have got the status code from their server, we are showing it here. But how you can get the correct status code? So for that we have this thing. You click on this view report button. You can also view all, or you just, let's say, click on view. So here it's showing only invalid links right now we are seeing. So here you see that all are invalid, and with all of them you have this recheck HTTP status code. So if you click on this, it will get the actual status code for that link. Let me click. and you see that it has updated with the 200 status code. Why? Because here we are opening the link in a browser. There we were getting the status code through the code internally. We were not opening the link in the browser, but here we are opening in the window and then we are getting the status code. So that's why their server is giving the correct status code. Like if you again click on this, if it will get the correct status code, it has updated here. So this way, like you just keep clicking and you will keep getting that. In place of like you are clicking one by one, if you want to do this for all the links in one shot, you just click on this fetch all and click start. It will start updating all the links one by one. Here you will notice that links will start getting, status will start getting updated here. So this will be like depending on how many numbers of links are there, it will that much time it will take, and then it will keep doing it. So here you can see that total unique invalid URL 229, processed URL 10, and duplicate URLs 45. So it will keep updating here, and because random number it will be picking whatever way, so that it will keep updating and it will keep processing. Once it will done, it will automatically close and get the status and update the status in your report, and then you can download and see. So this is the process, and you can at any point of time you want to stop, you can stop it and close this window. So you see that wherever the link has been updated, the status code got the correct, it has updated here. So this way, this is the one feature that I was trying to explain you guys, that how you can get the correct status code in some very rare scenarios. It doesn't happen everywhere. Most of the time you will get the correct status code, but if there are too many links and someone has put this kind of check in their server, that if some bot is hitting our website and trying to make it down or something like that, in that case they start giving us the wrong status code. So this will help you guys quickly get that correct status code even in that situation as well, basically. So you are always going to get the correct result. Okay, so this is all these are the features. So now we have covered pretty much all the features. One thing here we have like, because we are adding so many features and we keep adding more and more feature and keep supporting you guys, so also like at the same time we have to run the show and we have to keep adding more and more features in checkmylinks. So we have introduced a small thing and we need a support from all the users of checkmylinks. So we added an advanced feature key, a one-time support from you all, from all our users basically we are seeking. So for some of the features of checkmylinks which are kind of like advanced feature, even though without this also you will be able to do your work, you will be able to verify everything. Some of the features are hidden behind the advanced feature key. So right now the key is already included. Like these features, when you will try to access for individual users, if you like for individual links you want to see the change the color or want to view the report, that's where you will need the key for these features as well as for the view all. Otherwise, like you will get the counts, you will be able to export the report and everything you will be able to do only for these features, like exclusive feature which are like kind of like little smart. So that's where you will need, like if I show you guys without this key. So here basically if you will try to hide this color, that's where you will need the key. So you can buy the key from here and it will be just one-time support. And we used to keep providing offer, like right now there is a 50% flat we are giving. So it is just like $50 a lifetime support for this particular tool. I'm sure like you all can support and help us to keep running this particular tool. So for that reason we really need the support. We are not any investor backed company, we are absolutely 100% community driven. So this will help a lot us to keep running the show, and this will help you guys and us as well, that we will be able to help you guys to save more time and you guys can support us with this small token. And please do add review for checkmylinks here in the Chrome store. And if you guys need any feature, like he required this particular feature, we immediately added this. One user asked us to add the label, so now we have added the label as well. So any feature you guys need, we are more than happy to add them. And I'm sure you guys will love this particular tool, checkmylinks, and it will help you guys to save more time. With that, thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.